Hi guys, and thanks for coming back. It's another wonderful day here in sunny California. Today I got a 2020 Hyundai Tucson. I'm going to show you where your cabin filter is located in your car. If you want to change it, if you want to service it, check it out. I'm going to show you exactly where it's at. If you need to get a new filter, I'll leave a link down in the description box down below where you can get one, make it nice and easy for you. The cabin filter is actually going to be located behind the glove box here, and what you're going to need to do as your first step is you're going to have to disconnect this damper that's right here, and all you got to do is just pull on it and it'll disconnect. Not a big deal. And then you have these two knobs here, one here and one here. You're just going to turn these guys counterclockwise. They're actually just the stops for the glove box. They come right out. Okay, same thing with this side here. And once you get them out, the glove box will fall down. Okay, it will only come down so far. But your cabin filter is located in this compartment right here, okay? And you're going to start right here on your left side, and you're going to squeeze these two little clips you got here. The door will just come off on that side. On this side here, it's kind of clipped in. Okay. You can see that the filter comes right out nice and easy. This one is really clean actually. Actually, it's kind of dirty. This car has low miles, so I'm just checking it right now. And I'll recommend getting a new filter for that. Again, if you need one, there's a link down in the description box. But yeah, when you get the new one, you just slide it right back in, and then put the door back on. Keep it on the right side first. So just click it right in there. Make sure I got it the right way. Click it right on the right side first. Just push it on and you hear it click. Get your glove box. Here's a little, go ahead and put the damper on to hold your glove box up for you. Okay. And then just get your stoppers here. Stick them back in, turn them clockwise. You're gonna have to kind of close the glove box a little bit. Okay, do that on both sides. And that's it. Well, if the video was helpful, do us here in California a great favor and hit the thumbs up button for us. You guys have a great day.